Some breaking news that we just received into our newsroom a little bit before our interview with Dr. Casey Myers. This is happening in the South Carolina State Supreme Court. A new trial for Alex Murdaugh has been ordered in a double murder case. This again, the South Carolina Supreme Court overturning the 2023 conviction for Alex Murdaugh in the killings of his wife and son. Why did this happen? Why has that conviction from 3 years ago now been overturned? Well, the action of the clerk court is what is cited as the reason. This decision vacates the guilty verdicts that had sent the former attorney to prison for life after a Colleton County jury found him guilty in the June 2021 shootings of Maggie and Paul Murdaugh, again, his wife and son. So June of 2021, Maggie and Paul Murdaugh shot and killed. In 2023, Alex Murdaugh is convicted of those killings, and now here in May of 2026, that decision is overturned. Let's dive a little bit more into that reason why. It's a unanimous ruling here. The Supreme Court of South Carolina felt that Becky Hill, the clerk of court in Colleton County during that trial, improperly spoke to jurors, tainting their decision. They said that meant that Murdaugh did not receive a fair trial under South Carolina state law. Here is a quote on the decision. Becky Hill, the Colleton County Clerk of Court, egregiously attacked Murdaugh's credibility and his defense, thus triggering the presumption of prejudice, which the state was unable to rebut. As noted at the outset, Hill's shocking jury interference was accomplished outside the presence and knowledge of the outstanding trial judge and superbly competent and professional counsel for the state and the defense. We are accordingly constrained to reverse the post-trial court's denial of Murdaugh's motion and remand for a new trial consistent with this opinion. So a new trial will come following everything that has happened there in South Carolina over the course of the last 5 years. And, of course, all of this goes back to two people who have been killed. And thoughts are with all of their loved ones, family, and friends as a resolution to this will now carry on following the overturning of that conviction.